The recording feature of your streaming TV service allows you to watch your favorite programs when you want to watch them. And this tutorial will show you the different ways that you can record programs to watch later. From a live program, from the program information screen, and by using the search feature. First, we will show you how to record a currently airing program. As you are watching a program, let's say something comes up and you want to watch the program later. While the program is playing on your TV screen, press the center of your Apple remote, which will open your features controls. Then press the left or right side of the control ring until you have highlighted the record icon that is indicated by this square button. Then press the center of your remote ring, which will open a recording options window. Select from One-Time Recording, Series Rule New Only Recordings, Series Rule All Recordings. Once you have made your selection, just press the center of your remote ring and your program recording is set. Now we will show you how to set a recording from the program information screen. From the program guide, highlight a program that you would like to record even if it is coming up later, and press the center of your Apple remote to open a screen that provides information about the program. Select Record and press the center of your remote ring to open the recording options window. From here, choose One-Time Recording, Series Rule New Only Recordings, or Series Rule All Recording. Once you have made your selection, just press the center of your remote ring and your program recording is set. You can learn more about series recordings and how to manage them in an upcoming tutorial. The search feature is convenient if you want to record an upcoming program that has a lot of episodes and you're looking for a particular one that you would like to record. From the program guide, highlight the program and press the center of your Apple remote ring to open a screen that provides information about the program, and then select Search. You can scroll through the list of specific programs until you find what you are looking for. From the highlighted program that you want to record, press the right side of your remote ring to highlight the Record button, and then press the center of your remote ring to open up an options window that lets you choose One-Time Recording, Series Rule New Only Recordings, or Series Rule All Episodes. Once you have made your selection, just press the center of your remote ring and your program recording is set. To learn how to access and play your recordings, look for the tutorial titled How to Manage Your Recordings and Series Rules.